Hey guys, wanted to share how we built this climbing wall for the kids. First, we got a couple of boards that are 2 by 10 by 10 feet. I sanded them and painted them. Then we proceeded to install the boards. First, you level the first board. We installed it on the existing playset, and we leveled the first one and then installed all the other ones. Then I did a small plan for the installation of the hardware on a piece of paper so that I can come in and install all the hardware that I got on Amazon. All the links are below. Kids had lots of fun. Enjoy.